Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm back. Today won the Target and got this 2013 Prism. It's only for $12.99 at Target. One extra 4-card pack inside. And see what else here. It's 32 cards per pack. Autograph from the NFL top players. Let's open up and see what's in there. Oh, here. Not there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards per pack. I get a nice hit. Here is the nothing in here. Autograph. Okay, you can read it, pause it. Baron Sanders, Demarius Thomas, Kevin Johnson, Eric Fisher rookie, and Geno Smith. Pack 2. T.Y. Hilton, Jimmy Macklin, Kabula, rookie of the Reddick, Justin Hunter. Oh, excuse me. Brian Hartline, Trent Richardson, Patrick Peterson, Joseph Randall, rookie. I think this guy's in jail. Top rookie. Whatever. Cromartie, Luke Ritchie, and a decade dominance of Sonny Jurgensen. Number 1. Arthur Brown, and 2 of these. Alfred. I got 2 of these now. Let me find it. Got 2 of these. Here we go. 2 in the same pack. Wonderful. Jamal Charles, Brian Quick, rookie Marcus Wheaton, and more rubber bullets. Kenny Britt, Sustin, Luke Kepchi, Monday Heroes, and Dante Jones. I just bought this webcam. It looks pretty good, I guess. So tell me guys what you think. What you think? This webcam was $62 at Best Buy. Ray Rice, Dustin Killer, and a green Dustin Killer. There you go, 2 of the same card, but this one's green. And it's not numbered. Rodney Smith rookie, EJ Manuel. And the last pack. Antonio Brown, Michael Shore, and rookie impact Tyron Matthew. Pretty cool. Like the design. Not numbered. And Sterling Belly. Well, thank you guys for watching. I also have another box. Also bought this at Target. Another Prism and Rookies and Stars. Just only $11.99 at Target. I'll break this later. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.